Okay, the name of the app is called HiFami. Yeah, this is it. You can see it over here. So you just go to your Play Store and download it. And as soon as you've downloaded the app, it's going to ask you. As soon as you've downloaded it, you register. So you can register using your. If our registration does not take you up to a minute, you can use your Gmail, you can use your Facebook, you can use your whatever it is you can use. So that was what I did. But for me, I used my Gmail. So I just use one of my Gmail address and boom, I registered. And as soon as you are done, you're almost through the registration, or while you're registering, it's going to ask you for the invitation code. Now the invitation code is what gets you the $0.10 that I showed you, the invitation code. So if you do not put in your invitation code, you will get nothing. The invitation code is already in this particular video, is in the steps I mentioned in this particular video. So you copy the invitation code and you put it. Now, how do you earn from the platform? It's very simple. There are three major ways of earning from the platform. Number one is you invite somebody using your own referral code. So you invite somebody. So when you invite somebody, what happens is, for me, I'm using Naira because the country I choose was Nigeria. So in case you're in Ghana, you pick Ghana. If you're in Canada, wherever it is, just pick your country, wherever you are, and then you will discover that it's still the same process. So do not worry that it's showing Naira. If you're in Ghana, it's going to show cedis. If you're in Kenya, it's going to show whatever it is you use as currency. So what happens is, when you refer people, those you refer, just because they use your code, they get 150 Naira. That's $0.10. So if you refer somebody, the person does not use the code, the person gets nothing, and you too, you will get nothing. Now, as soon as you refer somebody, you get 450, the person gets 150. That's step number one. Step number two, for those who probably cannot refer, you can also farm. Yeah, you can also farm. I'm going to show you that. Then you can play the Monopoly game, and you can hit the balls to earn whenever the icon comes up. These are the major ways to earn. Every other thing you see on the platform, they might just waste your time. So let's just go straight to it. So this is the platform. This is the farm. Can you see this is the farm? So all I need to do is I'll click on this thing here. So let me just do it so you just see what I'm doing. So what happens is, as soon as I click on it, in less than, okay, they are telling me to enter a room to get more. So you can click on it. They will give you some other options and all that. So I'm just going to close that. So what happens is, you discover that this timer is ticking. So in about a minute and few seconds, my farm will be ready for harvest. And then when it's ready for harvest, I click on it, I get something else. So what happens is, the more I click on this, I'm just explaining farm, the more I click on this, the more this begins to go higher. Are you getting it? So this is going to go higher to a point that this will get full. And when this gets full and I click on it, automatically it's going to go, the 75 Naira will go over here, and it will be easy for me to withdraw. So how do you withdraw? It's very simple. You just click on this, you click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, automatically you convert whatever it is you have into gems. So it's loading up. So initially for me, I already converted the 200, I converted the 150 Naira I got, I converted it into gems, which is 200 gems, and automatically that helped me to be able to withdraw. So that is how to withdraw. As soon as you've converted to gems, the next thing you do is you just come to your profile over here. Just come to your profile over here. You click on it. I'm going to click on my wallet. Can you see wallet? I'll click on my earnings. I'll click on my earnings. And then, so let's assume whatever it is I have is up to something that can give me gems. Let's assume I've gotten about 7.5 or 1.5. Let's assume I've made up to 1,500. I'll convert it to 2,000 gems, and then I click on withdraw. So you can withdraw to an exchange, or you can withdraw normally. Are you getting it? So you can withdraw any of the ways. So if you check the WhatsApp group I showed you, let me look at the WhatsApp group. So you can get your payment. Now this was the test I did and I got my payment in my OP. So you can get your payment in your bank or probably get your payment on any centralized exchange if you want to. So peradventure along the way, in case you got issues, just send me a DM on WhatsApp please. So but I think this video has done justice to it.